Hello, class. As you know, we are in week 3 of the semester in Module 3, and this includes Exam 1. It opened a couple of days ago. I noticed no one has attempted it yet, which is fine. You might be waiting until the weekend to do so, but just as a reminder, it closes this Sunday. And before you attempt it, I want to look at it with you just briefly so I can maybe prepare you for it. Scrolling down here. As it says down here, okay, it's due on March 24th at midnight. There are 27 questions. 25 of those are multiple choice, true, false, multi-select, very much like the questions you've been having on your modular quizzes so far. In fact, there may be some similarities there. But in addition to those 25, which are worth 2 points apiece, you have 2 written response questions, each of which is worth 25 points. That all adds up to 100. And as I say here, before taking this quiz, you should review the assigned reading in modules 1 through 3. So you've read the assigned works already, review those. Reacquaint yourselves with names, characters, background information about the Greeks and Romans. As I say there, the multiple choice, etc. questions follow the same format as the modular quizzes. Now, as for the written response quizzes, let me be very frank with you about something. Do not use any artificial intelligence program to compose your answers. These are not particularly challenging questions, but what I'm looking for is sincere and frank responses that show me that you have engaged in the course. One of the questions is going to require that you show me how you've thought about something in the course you have learned so far that has been particularly revealing to you, particularly meaningful, that has caused you to think about mythology in perhaps a new way. So if you want to give that some thought before you attempt the quiz, know that there's one question on there that is personal in that way, that asks you to tell me something about what you've gotten from the course. So give that some thought so that you can give me a good written response of about 5 sentences, a paragraph or so, that is from you. The second written response question is going to ask you something about how you see the study of mythology as being valuable to you in the future, whether in your future courses, in your career or profession. But I'm looking again for a serious, sincere, and frank response from you on that of about 5 sentences, a good paragraph. If you remember your self-introductory discussion post back at the beginning of this short semester had a question like that, and people took a stab at it, but I'm looking for something more developed and more informed on that question. So again, it's due this Sunday at midnight, and that means you've got almost 3 days to do this. Please devote or allow yourself at least 90 minutes so that you can carefully compose the written response questions, and so that you have at least 60 seconds on the 25 multiple choice questions that give you some time to read the question carefully and think about it. Okay, if you have any questions for me, please email me. I'll check emails probably on Saturday, but not on Sunday. So do well, and I look forward to reading your responses to your written responses to those questions.